Hi, it's Bethany. Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new A5 Daily Plum Paper planner. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what it looks like. All right, so here it is. I'm going to take it out of the box here. Okay, so right on top, it just says Plum Paper, personalized for you, by you. And on the back, it's got some additional information, which I always think is really cool to look at. And then let's get all this bubble wrap off. So inside the bubble wrap, we have a little piece of the plum paper cover material. It's separate from the cover itself, so if you want to try to torture test it and damage it, you can see that it's pretty resilient. Next, we've got some information on how you can enter in their little contest every month, which is #WinPlumPaper over on Instagram. And on the back, there's some information about keeping your planner safe. I would say I agree with all of this, especially to keep it cool. I did bring a planner, one of my plum paper planners, to the beach last year. It was super hot and super humid, and the thing got really warped and nutty, and it never really went back to its nice flat self again. It was okay, but it just definitely keep it cool and dry if you can. All right, I'm gonna open this out of its plastic. So this time I did go with the cover of the month, which gets you additional discount on the planner. I just got Beach and Plans at the bottom, and I think this cover is super cute. I love all things unicorns. When I saw this unicorn floaty cover, I was like, I need that in my life. Plum paper planners always come with this clear plastic cover, followed by the cover, which is the same material as the card here. That's what this material is. And then if we flip open, our first page is that name page where we can fill in who it belongs to. And from here, I'll just flip through and show you what's inside. We've got the 21 year at a glance, and then the next page will have the special days. So special days, I don't know if I'm gonna use this in this planner, to be honest, and I am toying with the idea of just kind of ripping out all of these pages that are not part of the book, just because I have them in my weekly planner and I don't know if I'll use them. So I'm going to think about it. After the special days, we have ideas, plans, goals. So same thing, I'm already using this over in my weekly, and so I just don't know if I need this, and I don't like having stuff in my planner that I'm not using. So I'll leave it for a little while, but this might wind up just not being used. Okay, so again, this is an A5 Daily. I went with the modern color scheme, so we have a different color for every month in this 6-month planner, which I'm really enjoying. You can do a yearly planner with the daily, but what I've heard and what I've seen in other videos and reviews is that planner, when you get a year's worth of daily pages, it's super thick and a little unwieldy. So I went with the 6-month for mine. We've got July, and then I'll just show you a couple of the pages in here. Got the monthly, of course. And then we go right into the days. And so I decided to get this one completely blank, so everything blanked out. And I've just found that I really like to mix it up. Some days I want my schedule here, sometimes I want it here. Sometimes this is top 3, sometimes it's meals, sometimes this is gratitude. Usually it's self-care. So it's just nice to mix it up and be able to do different things depending on what I'm doing on that day. I have personalized it in the past, and I just keep going back to liking it blank. Color for August is teal. And at the back of every month, you get an extra notes page as well. September in the modern is like this nice mint color. And here's one of the dailies in the mint. October is this peachy color. And here are the daily pages in the peach. November is this beautiful mustard. And then here's the daily in the mustard. And then here's December. And oh, there's the highlights. And then here is the daily in December, so more neutral for December for sure. All right, at the back of the planner, we've got a dot grid page, dot grid. It goes into my contacts, which I probably will not use. Passwords, which I probably will not use, and then the 2022. So in this book, I'm usually probably just going to use this for the daily pages. I don't know that I'm going to set up anything else, the monthlies or even the highlights, etc. We'll see. Very last thing at the back is we do have, of course, our pocket folder, and that is it. I did not do any add-ons for this book. I just really wanted those daily pages. But yeah, that is it for my A5 Daily. I'm really looking forward to using this book starting in July. I do have a goal in July to do 5 Plan With Me videos in the daily book. And those might be 5 days in a row, or it might be 5 throughout the month. I'm not sure, but I do have a goal to do some more Plan With Me's in this planner. So hope you'll stick around and check them out. Otherwise, that's all I have for you today. So thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Hope you have a great rest of your day, rest of your week, and we'll chat soon. Bye guys.